Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the exclusive bundle for Advanced Auto Parts made by TOPDON, and let's just say this one packs a very, very valuable punch. Now, to get started, let's go ahead and jump into the RLink. The RLink here is going to be able to be used as a scan tool and as a programming device. Now, you can buy this from TOPDON as a ready-to-go programming device. All you have to have is a laptop and OEM software, and this supports over 13 different manufacturers for programming needs. So you can go ahead, get this, you can program the newest Nissan Consult 4 protocol, you can go ahead and program GM and much more utilizing this and a laptop with OEM software. But whenever you buy it with this bundle here, it actually comes with 2 years of TOPScan Master, which means it turns this little dongle into a full functioning bidirectional scan tool and is going to have live data and much more. You're going to be able to graph and all of that good stuff with this device. Now, if you were to just buy this by itself, it would be $300, and then of course you get 2 years of TOPScan Master software. You will have to have a computer to activate this as a scan tool. Now, the procedure for that is very simple. You go to topdon.com, and then from there, you're going to go ahead and hit OEM dongles. Once you hit OEM dongles, hit RLink, then go from RLink, look up at the top, there's going to be a little download button. Hit the download button, and that's where you're going to download the drivers for the RLink. So once you have updated the drivers for the RLink, you want to leave it plugged in to the computer. Go ahead, go to your phone or your tablet and add this as a Bluetooth device. Now, once you've added it to a Bluetooth device, if you are on iOS, it is going to be Top Guru app. And if you're on Android, it is going to be TOPScan app. So once you've got that downloaded, you now will be able to link this device to your TOPDON account. And then once you've linked that to the account, then you can just log into the account through TOPScan or Top Guru, and this will be connected and ready to rock and roll. This is a one-time setup procedure, so once you have completed that, you can go plug this into multiple different vehicles, and then you can go ahead and read the diagnostics and get your live data and all of that. So if you're just wanting to use this as a scan tool, you do have to set up the drivers for it first, and you do have to connect it while it's connected to a computer. You do have to connect it to your phone. Now, let's go ahead and move over to the TC002C Duo. Now, if you were to buy this by itself, it is like $319 on TOPDON's website at the time of this video being made. And so already, if you were to just buy this and this, it already is over the $500 price point for this bundle. So the value, like I said, is there, but you're gonna get a full-on thermal imager camera that also has AI inside the app. Now, this can be utilized with Android or iOS, just like the RLink, so no need to worry there. You're just gonna download the infrared app from TOPDON, and as soon as you plug this bad boy in, it's gonna work. It does come with an extension cable, so no, your phone does not have to be directly connected to the camera as far as just plugged in. Let's go ahead and move over to the very simple battery tester. We get a lot of compliments about this battery tester because it does do battery test, it does do starting test, and it does do charging tests. So you're gonna get all of that within this. You do not have to input the VIN. You can do out of vehicle, in vehicle, whichever one that you like. And it is gonna come with a printer with also 5 rolls of paper within this bundle. So it's all gonna be packed in together. You can close this, as you can see. You can close it here and you will be ready to rock and roll, and it even has a handle. So we have already plugged the RLink into the vehicle and we are now on the app. Now, what we're going to be granted with on the app is, of course, we have the top screen, which is diagnostics, IMO. We have engine inspection, IM readiness, vehicle performance, VE calculator, and TDOTs. And we're also going to have the ability to go directly into the maintenance tab, where we can go ahead and reset oil lives, throttles, electric parking brakes, and steering, so on and so forth. It has a ton more in there. Also, on the very bottom, there is going to be DTC repair guide and technical service bulletins. And then at the very, very bottom, there is a mall where you can go ahead and buy Audi tokens, Volkswagen tokens, Renault tokens as well. And yes, with this device, you will be able to get past security gateways on Nissan, Stellantis, and Mercedes. Now, if we hit the diagnostic tab, we are going to go to this screen. you can hit the car up at the top right beside the little VCI button and hit auto VIN. Once you do that, it'll go ahead and read the VIN. Now, once we hit continue from there, we're going to be granted with auto scan, hot functions, and vehicle profile. Now, if we hit auto scan, we are going to go ahead and scan all of the modules that are right here on this vehicle. Now that we've already scanned all of that, we were just going to hit report at the bottom left. And once we hit report, we are going to be granted with the option to actually change a little bit of that report, where it has the engine, the submodel, the plate number, the customer phone number for the customer, and obviously the ticket number and any notes and pictures that we would like to take. So yes, you could technically use this as a DVI in a sense. Now we're just going to go ahead and we are going to hit confirm here. And once we do that, we are going to be granted with a beautiful report that we can save and then send out to a customer if we would like, or even just save it, throw it in Google Drive if you are working on your own vehicle. So then that way you can show proof that you actually did certain things and what codes were there. Now, once we hit the auto scan button, instead of going ahead and hitting scan, we're going to go into the engine control module, so that way I can show you guys a little bit more about that. Obviously, if you hit read DTCs, there was none. You can hit clear DTCs, you can look at ECU info, but then now we're going to go into the data stream, and this is what all of the main signals inside of the ECM look like. Now, you have coolant temperature, vehicle speed, battery voltage, so on and so forth. But if we click into coolant temperature here, you're going to notice that we can change the display form of this sensor. So if we want it to be numbers, we can have numbers. If we want it to be a graph, we can have a graph. And then we also can do the dial function. So this is everything that you're going to be granted with whenever you do go ahead and click into a control module and you want to look at graphing or even live data. Now, directly on this, we also will be able to have active test, and this is all of the active tests that you get. And then from there, we can go into special functions, and we can see all of these special functions. That basically wraps up the TOPScan and the Top Guru app. They are both identical. So now we are on to the last and final piece, which is going to be the battery tester. Now, with this battery tester, it does have a printer, as I mentioned in the beginning, and you can actually do battery test, cranking test, charging test, and system test, which will do all three of the above. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to go ahead and do the system test, and it's going to tell us which process to use. And it is a regular flooded. It is a cold cranking amp, and because I've already typed this in once before, it is 550 cold cranking amps. And now we're going to go ahead and test the battery. Now that the battery test has completed, we're going to hit continue. We're going to go ahead and start the engine. Cranking test has completed. Says start the engine. We've already done that. And now it's going to go ahead and graph the load. It asks us to turn off the loads, and it asks us to increase the speed to 2,500 RPM. Just for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that because I want to show you guys the process. And here you go. And now you can see here that we have gotten everything that we need. And if you hit print right here, it will then print you off a sheet for you to give to your customers. So that pretty much wraps up the RLink bundle, which comes with the RLink, the thermal imager, and the battery tester, all for a low price of $499. So if you want to get this, go ahead, reach out in the comment section below. there will be a form that you can fill out saying that you would like one of these, and we'll have one of the representatives from Advance Auto Parts reach out to you, as this is an exclusive bundle.